my name is Deepa. So I worked with this brand. Like I wore this outfit recently at Kolkata in Kolkata, and all of them loved that green skirt and the length, the half length. Yes, the asymmetric length. So I bought a couple of more products from them. So I am talking like I have tons of products from them. So you have to check out my Instagram, wherein I wore any of them, I've tagged them. So yes, so I bought a couple of more products. So I am talking about Style Leash. Yes. So this is the brand. Yes. So I'm gonna talk about all of the products that I have from these, and they are like statement pieces. Yes. So I would suggest you to go to their website, check out all of the items. Yes. So I'm gonna show you guys one by one, and I love the packaging as well. So obviously I'm gonna store this bags. Yes, so also I have these beautiful packages from Abanic. Yes, so yeah, so I'm gonna store these. Yes, and they come in handy. Yes, so yeah, so let's see what is it. So I picked up some of more bottom section specifically. I shopped in the bottom section so that I use them up, and I also have a lot of travel coming up. So yeah, so the first thing that I have is, I'm gonna put it here. So the first thing that I have is this trousers. Oh my god, just look at these trousers. So they have this boot cut. Obviously I'm showing it reverse. So they have this boot cut. Yes, so yeah, so they have the boot cut. Yes, I'm gonna fold this and show you guys, but can you just see the texture? It is that that business class plus. I don't have anything in this. So they have this boot cut. So I don't have anything in this, and I wanted to invest in a good boot cut leggings, so I can wear any fancy top on top of this. Yeah, it is high waisted. Oh my god, I loved it. So it is very stretchy as well. For example, you can see with this look itself, it is also going with this look as well. Yes, just look at that statement number. So I think you also have a black in this, but I really wanted to get a tinted brown, and yeah, it is the chocolate brown. Oh my god, this statement piece, like you can wear anything with this, and it is also little bit on the warmer side. So when it is that mixed weather, I think you can go for this. You can attend meetings with this. You can pair this up with a formal shirt. It'll be a formal wear. Yes, so yeah, love it. Just go out to the website and check out. Yes, so this is my first one. So you will see here some typical statement pieces, yeah, which are very essential. Yes, and the next item that I have is one more thing that I picked up. So I specifically shopped in the bottom wear section because the girl has thick thighs, and I always, like, if I get a chance to get good bottom wear, I just go for them. Yes. So one more, like the green velvet, like the green velvet leggings that the green velvet skirt that I am showing here, and it was loved by so many people, and it is just like they had a lot of sales after it promoted. So yes, like that, I wanted, like, I have seen this. You can never go wrong with a black outfit. So I have seen this tube dress, and it's all black, and oh my god, just look at it. Yes, so it's all black dress. Yes, it's an all black outfit number, and I loved it because of there's a lot of style in this, and I am always in for style because obviously style is predominant when it comes to your clothing. So this plain black number, it has a very good cut, like it has a cut, like a very good cut. So yes, if I am, yeah, so I folded it in half to show you guys. So it has obviously a one leg cut. So this is obviously, it comes on my right side. Yes, so it has a one leg cut, and you can never go wrong with a black dress. Yes, so I found this on Stylish. So the clothes are supremely funky and very good and worth your price. Yes, the fitting is also superb. So just go for the fitting which fits you, like the right fitting. So this one was for me. So you can pair this up with good chokers. Like I would style this with good jewelry, like ruby jewelry or emerald jewelry. Yes. So yeah, very nice long. So because I have good height, so I think this will accentuate my height. It will show my height. Yes. So yeah. So I would pair this like this with red nails and a lot of red numbers. Yes. So one more outfit that I picked up, and I think this was very specific, and I think this was exclusively on this website. Yes. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So I think with this we are done with everything that I got from Stylish, but you can definitely, oh, we have two more. So you can definitely go check out all of their different clothing. They are very supremely stylish. Yes. So let's see. Yeah. So I wanted to get this. So this is the silver skirt. Yeah. Like I said, style is very predominant. Yeah. So when it comes to this fabric, I would suggest you to store it back. So we have a muted pink one. Yes. So I would suggest you to store it back in this cover itself, because this gets attached to your other clothing, because it has this, it sticks up. Yeah. So this skirt, oh my god. So you can pair it up with a full length shirt. It will look warm. Like, yeah. So I loved this. I think this skirt was one of the reasons that I went on this website. Obviously you get these ads and all of that, right? But I did see this on their Instagram feed and I really wanted to get it. So yeah, I'm just opening this up. So this fabric sticks together. So that is why I would suggest you to store it back in that just flickering a little bit for this to open. So it's a mermaid cut skirt. Like it has that mermaid, can you see? So it has a mermaid shape. Yeah. And it gives you a good, like it accentuates your waist. Yeah. So you can see it even pairs with this. Yeah. Everything is, matching with this. It has elastic and it is very free flowing. So one tip for this is always store it back in this, like in that, yeah, this is how it is. Like, can you see the bottom flare? Yeah. So always store it back in that cover itself, because this sticks to other clothes. Yes. So I like to store it back in that cover itself, or you can hang it, in the corner in the last of your cupboard wardrobe. So yeah, so this is one of the statement pieces, and the material is also very soft, very thin. Like it's not too heavy on you, like it won't weigh you down. So I think, yeah. And the last one that I have is, for me, it is all about the bottom wear section. Yes. So that's it, I'm done. Yes. So one more piece that I got, I can see a black piece. Yeah. So another one that I got is this, okay, so I bought another black dress, and I think, the black dress where you can never go wrong with a black dress. So this is the one which is the front and which is the back. Okay, so this is the front. You can never go wrong with a full length black dress. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So yeah, it has the evening cocktail gown, and you can see even this makeup matches with this. Yeah, it's looking so nice. Yes, I love the look. Yes, so very nice. It's matching even with this, and it's very stretchy as well. Yes, so yeah. So if you're somebody, so this one has a back slit, like it has a back slit. Yes. So if you're somebody that really loves, long dresses, long outfits, I would suggest you, and you want a little bit of style for the money you pay, so just go out to Stylish. I love their clothing. Yeah. So that is everything I have for you guys. So let me know, what did you find in Stylish? So I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to my channel. Yes, until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.